Today, I'm going to show you how to change the eSIM module on a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The eSIM module is located here, behind the driver's side rear wheel. First things first, we're going to have to remove these three different types of retaining clip: 10mm bolt, a pop stud, and a secondary type of pop stud there on the right hand side. With a trim panel tool, you're able to get to this one under here. You can just pop it straight out. With all those fasteners removed, all the way down, we'll be able to just pull out the inner fender liner now. And that reveals the eSIM module that we're going to replace. First thing we're going to do is remove the electrical connector. Just press this little bit here and pull it off. Next, we're going to pull off the main hose. To remove the module, the whole piece rotates counterclockwise. There is a small spring clip on the back side of it which needs to be pulled in towards you, and then the piece will be able to rotate. So pulling up on the spring clip underneath, I can rotate it counterclockwise about 45 degrees. The module then just pulls straight out, just like that. And don't forget to remove the O-ring, which is probably causing the leak. So what you can see here is the two modules side by side. Left hand side is the one that I have purchased to replace, and the one on the right hand side is the OEM one that's coming out. First of all, I'm going to reinstall the new O-ring. You want to make sure you put that O-ring in nice and tight. Next up, we're going to put in the new eSIM module. Just got to line it up, rotate it till it clicks, and it's in there good. I'm going to now reinstall the hose into the new eSIM module. Make sure it's seated on there good and tight. And don't forget to hook up the electrical connector. There you go. Now I just need to fold the wheel liner back in there and fasten it back together. And with your 10mm socket wrench, you can do up this last bolt. Here's the part that I got from Autozone. It's made by Duralast. It's the ESIM 1003. Hopefully this video will help you replace the eSIM module in a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Till next time.